There are a number of methods by which data may be conveniently ingested. In general, data is copied from its source in a local file system to a target destination in a centrally managed collection. During this process, metadata that is subsequently used to assist with discovery may be extracted or entered. The amount of data ingested may be a few bytes to hundreds of gigabytes, from a few files to tens of thousands of files. The data may be packaged or compressed, depending on options chosen during the ingest process. Permissions may be assigned to the target collection. This is the subject of another segment. Data is ingested by dragging it from its source location to its destination target. Let's look at a couple of methods. Click on Files and expand the file hierarchy to display the source directory or file. Then drag it to the root collection, which will automatically expand to its sub-collections. These can be followed, expanding down the hierarchy until the destination collection is located. Drop the source file or directory onto the target collection. Of course, if the target collection is already displayed, the source directory or files may be simply dropped straight to it. Another method is to have a second asset finder open and drag source files from one finder to destination collections in the other finder. As always with drag and drop, the outcome is displayed in the box with the green dotted lines. Once a source is dropped onto a target, the Import Files menu is displayed to allow the ingestion options to be chosen. The Import Files menu contains a number of tabs where ingest options can be selected. The first tab is Packaging. If a directory or more than one file is ingested, then each file may be ingested as a separate asset, or alternatively, all may be packaged into an archive with just one asset created. If an archive is chosen, the compression level may be entered. If file compilation profiles have been defined, they are shown as a packaging option, and if chosen, the selected source directory and files are packaged according to the rules of the file compilation profile. The next tab is Name and MIME type. These may be specifically chosen, however the defaults are generally sufficient. The next tab allows the asset location to be set. The location may be a point, a rectangle, a polyline, or a polygon. Specifying a location enables subsequent map-based discovery. Coordinates may be assigned numerically, or a place name may be entered into the feature search box and selected with its coordinates automatically looked up. The final tab allows metadata definitions to be chosen and populated. Any predefined metadata definitions may be populated, or alternatively, additional definitions can be dragged and dropped here and populated. Each metadata definition is displayed on a tab on the left pane. Selecting it displays the individual metadata elements in the right-hand pane. Any elements that are mandatory are displayed in bold. To commence the ingestion process, click Import Files. If a significant amount of data is being ingested, the process may take some time. A progress window is displayed, and the process may be terminated if required. More than one ingestion task can be underway simultaneously. In addition, the DTI button can be used to display the list of ingestion tasks underway. The ingestion process will continue regardless of whether Architecture Desktop remains open. Once the ingestion is complete, press the Dismiss button to close the progress window.